Hello and welcome to my channel again. Island Mama's in the house. So today we're going to do barbecue Trini style. Let's not put emphasis on the sauce today. Let's try to get our meat tender. We're doing lamb chops and this is it. We are already seasoned. I did a basic seasoning, bandanya, salt, chicken seasoning powder, which I like. It gives a different depth of flavor. Garlic powder, onion powder, and this little baby is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this up because this pairs well with lamb. So I'm going to chop them up and just season them up, let it marinate a bit, and let's see how it comes out. Let's go. It is in no way light or delicate in flavor at all, but on the other side it is very strong and has a pungent scent. The reason why we are chopping it up is so that we can get the flavors infused into our meat, and also the bristles are strong and tough. Keep looking, I'm going to put the recipe at the end, and I have prepared a very basic sauce. And this time I decided to put my meat into the Instapot for 25 minutes. And I did something different today. I tenderized my meat 15 minutes prior to seasoning it with baking soda and water. And I must admit, this gave it the perfect bite. Let's go. So since our meat was tenderized, marinated, and pressured, all that is missing in this equation is a good char on that barbecue. We need a good caramelization of the sugars that we are putting onto our meat. Here we go. And you'll notice that I have not even begun to baste it as yet with my sauce. This is just my preference because why? It is already tender. So now I'm sealing in the juices, and my lamb is a fatty meat. Fat enhances the flavor of my meat, so giving it that char on the outside is perfect before we start basting it. Remember, in this video I'm putting emphasis on texture of my meat, because for flavor, of course there will be flavor because we have sugars in the ketchup, in the barbecue sauce, and it's going to be caramelized, so it will be tasty, but let's just deal with texture. And here's another trick in the book to get your flames going again. Drizzle some oil. And here is a fun fact for you. This method of tenderizing meat is widely used in Chinese restaurants, and it is highly effective. It is called velveting. Let's go.